Hello, Talio there, champs, and today we're going to have a look at this iPhone battery pack, the MagSafe edition that goes on the back of this phone here, the iPhone. And oh my god, people are losing their mind over this battery pack, saying, oh, look how much it cost and all this sort of stuff. Yeah, nah, when has Apple ever been the cheap product? When? Come on. So anyway, we're going to unbox this thing and we're going to put it on here, and this is a very interesting product. It actually will work on the back of an iPhone with a MagSafe cover. So if you've got a MagSafe cover, it will actually go through that. And by the way, it's raining, so sorry for the noise of the rain. Now this isn't just a battery pack, it's actually a smart battery pack. And what I mean by that, it actually manages what it uses first, when it uses the battery, when it uses the battery here, and we'll see if it actually can charge wirelessly. I'm not sure about that. So it doesn't just actually use this one first and then that. It actually manages between the two, and it's smart how it does it to give you the best, most optimum battery life, and also the best battery life to take care of your battery. Let's unbox it. Oh, all right, so it just pulls out like this. Boom. There you go. Boom. We have some literature here. Do we get a sticker or a decal? No sticker in there, no decal. And by the way, you've got to see the box that this come in. You know, Apple saying, oh, what about the environment and all this sort of stuff? Yeah, you could have fit like 20 of these in the box this come in. Oh, look at that. Nice and chunky. Let me see if I can charge it. So there you have it. Looks pretty cool, right? Looks pretty cool. It's nice and white. There you can see the MagSafe there, where it connects to the magnets. And we'll just hook it onto the back of this and just, whoa. There you go. That's how thick it is. With that, well, is it charging? No, it's not charging at the moment. What's going on there? Put that back on. Charging? No. Maybe it doesn't have any charge in it, but you can see how thick it is. And this is really good. It's handy. You know, a lot of people are saying, oh, you can just buy a battery pack, it's small capacity. But this thing is good because you just charge it, you whack it on the back, take it off when you don't need it. If you're going in the car and you need GPS or some extra power, you're going to take a lot of videos, you're going to a party or something like that, this is really handy. And then you can just get rid of it when you don't want it. So, yeah, wolf. Okay, I've just actually put this on charge for a sec. There is a lightning port on the bottom there, so that's how you charge it. It doesn't seem to charge wirelessly. I've just put it on a wireless charger. I'll have to check it on another wireless charger, but the one I've got here, no, it's not working. So now, let's just put it on again. And you heard the chime there. So now it is actually charging my phone. Before, it probably wasn't charging my phone because my phone was already, you know, somewhat charged. So now it is, and you can see there on the battery status there, I don't know if you can see that there, but it's actually like, it shows a charge indicator, and it shows that it's like a, oh, there you go, my order has been delivered. It actually shows here an actual cable, so it's just saying it's charging. So there's my watch, there's my phone, and that little charge cable thing there, that indicates that this is actually charging the phone. So there you have it. Yeah, it's not the biggest battery capacity, but I really think it is handy. It's just one of those things, when you need a charge, just put it on the back there. And yeah, it's expensive. It's Apple. What did you expect? I actually think this thing is really cool. It's, you know, I can just swap it on someone else's iPhone. So my wife has an iPhone, I can just swap it around easily. And yeah, like if you're going out taking photos, or, you know, you're going on GPS run or whatever, you can just top up your battery, and it doesn't have to stay there permanently like a battery case. You just have it there when you need it. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I think it's a really good thing, and I think it's actually, to be perfectly honest, I reckon it's one of the best things about MagSafe, the best accessory I've seen from MagSafe. So it's the only accessory I've bought. It's convinced me to buy it. So there you have it. I just think people wanted to see what it looks like. It will take care of your battery. It's not just a dumb thing where it just, you put it on, it's going to charge. It's going to manage between your, you know, your phone battery and this battery pack, and it's going to take care of your battery, right? And it is inefficient wireless charging, but convenience is king. Don't have to faff about with cables. That's a good thing in my opinion. So there you have it. There is the MagSafe battery. Pretty cool accessory. I think you will agree. And if you don't agree, let me know down there in the comments what you think of it. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Tally ho.